To create a new product, again, the fillers have to be off. We press here. Again, 4, 7, 8, 7, done. We go product setup, scale 1. Now let's say we'll pick one here that hasn't been set up before, so we highlight it, enter. So we'll just call this one test. Enter, okay. And then there is some default values in here. So let's say it was a 10 kg, we would go 10.05, enter. The slow fill, we would have to estimate probably 5 kilos, enter. We'll get to know what the free fall is depending on the weight. 0.6 is fairly typical. And now we just have to, from experience, set the gate settings. For this machine, it would probably be 35%. No, let's go 40% for fast. Now on this machine, we noticed that 25% was the smallest we could go for the gate opening. If we went less than that, it didn't open properly. So vibrator speed, let's do 50% for fast and 50% for slow vibrator speed. Start delay, that's way too high. Let's go clear, 0.5, enter. Discharge, we'll leave it at 1. Free fall, yes, we'll turn that on. Okay, and then I like to do 5 checks at the beginning and then every 20th, that's good. Auto zero turns off, and all the rest we can leave at the factory default. When you're done, you would cancel out. Now it's a bit odd because at this point, to set up scale ahead 2, you hit test again and then enter. Oh, sorry, cancel that. Sorry, we have to exit, then do scale 2, then the product that, again, we've got it set up scale 2 just like number 1. So we would write all the settings down. So there, now we're in scale head number 2, yes. And then we just set everything up the same as before. 10.5, we'll go 5 kilos. Now, when we're setting the speeds, let me just get to that. When we're setting the speeds and the set points, what we're after always is at least 1 full second of fast fill and 2 full seconds of slow fill. Okay, we need that to maintain consistent weights. And it is a juggling act between the set points and the gate opening. Not so much the vibrator speed. I think if we just find a comfortable speed, we'll just always leave it set there, like at 40 or 50% or 60%. But it's the set points and the gate openings, we have to juggle with those. So fast gate opening, I think we had 40 before on the other one. 25 for the dribble. This will have to experiment with fast vibrator speed, slow vibrator speed, and so on. Okay, so 0.5 delay to start, 1 second discharge. Yes, we're going to turn the auto weight adjustment on. So we have to enter all the information for both scale heads. Okay, auto zero off, and then the rest of it we leave at the factory default. Okay. Now, what happens again, when we exit out, whenever you adjust anything, you always have to enter the product again. So again, hit here, and then if we hit test, now we see product 6 test, and then we're ready to run.